Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer AdSense payments with Google Payments Center, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your AdSense payments using the Google Payments Center, begin by signing in to your AdSense account. Once signed in, navigate to the Payments section in the left-hand menu. In the Payments section, locate the Payee Profile area. Here, ensure your payment information is up to date and accurate. If you need to update your bank account details, click on Edit next to your existing information. Enter the new banking details as required, ensuring accuracy to avoid payment issues. After updating, save the changes to your payment information. Next, go back to the main payments section. Look for the transaction history to check your previous payments. Once you confirm the amount available for transfer, head to the Google Payments Center. In the Google Payments Center, sign in if prompted. Once inside, find the Payment Methods option from the menu. Select your preferred payment method for the transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the transfer. Be aware of any processing times related to your chosen payment method. Monitor the status of your transfer in the Google Payments Center. You will also receive notifications regarding the status of your payments. For any issues, refer to the help resources provided by Google AdSense. After the transfer is complete, check your bank account to confirm the deposit. Make sure to keep records of your transaction for future reference. Now you are ready to manage your AdSense payments with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.